Hi, myself Ranjan from Hubli, Karnataka. Today I am going to do a small review of Woodman Big B, which I have installed in Maruti Ritz. Let's go. Hi, good evening. Today I am just showing how this Woodman Big B looks, and just one thing I want to tell you, that it's simply awesome. You can't get better than this. Okay, coming to the main part, I'm having Ritz. It is 2014 model, and I love this car, so I want to upgrade it majorly for an Android or whichever, everything, video and all those things, stuffs, everything was needed. But like Pioneer, Sony and others were very costly, and I don't want to invest that like 20,000, 25,000 or much more. So I just almost for 6 months or 4 months I tried for this, not tried, I just go see the YouTube and all, and almost I then decided to go for this, and now I am clearly very much happy that this is the best Android, this one. And first of all, I will just show you the fittings. It's one of the best fitting I am having. It's not at all looking like that any aftermarket it has been fitted like that. Wonderful. It's look like very big. It's 9-inch. It is called Big B. I have taken it for 2 GB 16 GB RAM, and its interface is one of the best interface. I'll just show you. You might be knowing, you might seen all the videos how it works and all, but just this is the one thing where you can set the logo. I would set the Suzuki logo, and I really like this one where the actual what the GPS connected, what your speedometer looks. Here it shows. It will really look very cool, and this compass is also very colorful. While going either here and there while turning, it turns according to like it looks wonderful. And the next part is what thing is the output of this music system is very good. I am having infinity speakers, compound speaker front, and JBL that is limited edition speakers on the back side. I'll just show that I'll put it like that. And here are the infinity, this one. And I'm having one small inbuilt woofer, that is a Blopunk woofer, which is an inbuilt what you called amplifier inbuilt woofer. That is 8-inch woofer, and it sounds wonderful. And nothing much. Everything about this, what the texture and everything you might be knowing. Only the thing is, it fits very perfectly, and the main thing is that the customer support is one of the best customer support I have seen. This is the best customer support. They will directly connect you through the WhatsApp, and whatever they will give the service, and I really like this, and it's very user friendly. And where one more thing where I have not seen in other videos, when you are driving in the night, you might feel that it is very brightness, where you can also having this brightness, low of brightness, you can make it less brightness or something like that. But apart from that, one more best option is there, where you can click just and this kind of a thing it will come, where it will not disturb your eyes while driving in the night. That's all. I really recommend. It's having a wonderful even reverse camera. Everything is awesome, and that's all. Nothing much. This is the once again I will tell you, I highly recommend this Woodman. If somebody want to purchase, and then go for high Woodman. So wonderful. Thank you. Stay safe.